This video by ft.jiinn got 21 million views and 2 million likes on Instagram. So, in today's video, we will be going through on how to create this amazing reel using the ft and CapCut app. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such editing tutorials. This really keeps me motivated for making new videos. If you do not have CapCut app installed on your phone, do check out my Telegram channel for the video links on how to install CapCut in both iPhone or Android. Now let's begin. First, record a video of yourself opening your hands and seeing at the sky. Once you have recorded your video, now comes the editing part. Open the CapCut app. Create a new project. Select your main video. Add it to your project. Come to the end. Delete this watermark. Select the video. And trim the best part you want from your video. Now, select the video again and search for the filter tool. Simply click on it. Come under the life category. Select Berlin and increase its value by 100. This will itself give a dark and stormy look to your video. This filter has worked best for me. You can also try other filters like Bad Bunny, Moody Fall, Oppenheimer and Mistletoe, or any other filter which goes best with your video. Now, go to the description box below and download this cloud overlay video. I have provided few different versions of the cloud overlay video. Please choose the one whichever you like the most. Now, we will learn two methods for making this reel. First, if you want to place the clouds above your head, follow the upcoming tutorial. And if you want to place the clouds behind the person, watch the tutorial after this one. Now, click on this overlay tool. Select Add Overlay. Here, select the cloud video. And click on Add. It will be added to your timeline. Now stretch it so that it overlaps the whole frame. Drag it upwards. And search for the mask tool. Here, select Mirror. And stretch this while arrow so that the clouds completely blends with your video. You can also bring it down using this yellow circle. Once you are satisfied, simply click on Done. Now comes the second method where we will add the clouds behind the person. So, click on this cloud video and delete it. Now, select the main video and search for Duplicate tool. Now click on it, and it will create a duplicate of your video. Now, search for the Overlay tool and click on it. Press and hold this video and drag it to the left. You still might see some space left, so hold and drag it again to the extreme left. Now, select this duplicate video and search for Remove BG tool. Select it. And select Auto Removal. It will automatically cut out the person from the video. Now, click on Done. Now, click on Add Overlay and select the cloud video. Stretch it again and drag it over the face of the person. Now, select the Layer tool. Here, click on one. This will place the cloud behind the person. Now, search for the mask tool. Select mirror and increase its size like this. Now, stretch this white arrow icon to blend the video. If you will completely stretch this white arrow, you will see these kind of straight lines. To avoid that, decrease its value so that it blends perfectly with our video. Now, click on Done. Our cloud video has been properly added. Now to fill the complete background. Click on the cloud video again and search for the duplicate tool. Press and hold it and drag it to the lower layer. Now, select it and place it upwards. Select it. Again, duplicate it and bring it to the next lower layer. Select it and drag it down. If it is coming in front of the person, search for the layer tool. Here, click on one. Click on Done. Again, duplicate and add another layer like this. Come to the end and trim these extra parts. And now you can export the video. For making the final reel, please take the screenshot of this template QR code. Now we will see how to use the template QR code. Once you see this type of photo on your screen, all you have to do is take a screenshot of it. Now open the ft.jiinn app, click on this scan icon, then click Media, and upload the screenshot you just took. It will automatically scan the QR code. If the ft.jiinn app says QR code is invalid, all you have to do is open the video in highest resolution, that is 1080p, then take the screenshot. Now crop the QR code this much so that the QR becomes big. I am damn sure now it will easily scan it. Here, click on Use. If you do not see the Use button here, instead you are getting the Download button. Simply click on it. Now, click here to download. You will now see the Use Template option. Now, upload all your photos or videos you want to use for this template. Click Next. You can even replace, add filter, or crop your photo or video. For some templates, you will see the option of editing the text as well, so please do it if you want. For this particular template, your video might not be coming in the frame properly. So, to resolve this issue, once you have imported your clips, click on this Export button. Then, click Edit. Stretch the timeline. Now to bring any video in the frame, simply click on it. Now you will be able to adjust it. Now you can export the video. I hope now your problem must have been resolved. It would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. See you guys in the next one.